Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel, pahit ng subscribe button, notification bell, ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. If you want, pwede kang magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Okay, let's start. Kung hindi ka pa nakaka-follow sa aming YouTube, sa aming Facebook account or Facebook page, Madam P, ayan. I-search mo na lang hashtag Libra Philippines sa Facebook. Ayan. Kasi hindi mo masasearch yung pinaka page. By the way, pagpasensya mo na marami yung aking mga kuko. Ayan. Nagtina kasi ako nung nakaraan. Hanggang ngayon hindi pa natatanggal yung pinaka stay niya. Nagtina ako ng buhok. Anyway, for Libra. King of Wands, Strength card, Ace of Cups. Oh, wow. Libra. Nakakita tayo dito ng connection. There's a lot of love here. Tumitibay, umiigting, mas lalong nagmamahal. Yung iba sa inyo, whatever happened in the past, nakikita natin with the Death card na nagkakaroon ng ending. Pero parang sa'yo, nakita natin na nag-end siya. Pero nagkaroon ka ng karanasan, experience. And with the Ten of Pentacles, maybe yung iba, mas nag-focus ka na lang sa finances mo, sa sarili mo. And if ever that there's a person who is very toxic or whatever, no, may mga ginawang hindi maganda in the past, some of you, pwedeng hindi mo na para pahintulutan pang manghimasok or gumawa ng action or what itong taong ito. I'm seeing a person na okay, may connection, pero I don't know, it seems like sa ngayon, I'm seeing a lot of love from someone. Like, nararamdaman mo yung acceptance from this person. Sino to person na connect mo pagdating sa love for the sign of Libra? The Fool is here. The Empress, the Queen of Swords. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the High Priestess. Well, someone here is hindi magpapapigil. I can see someone na magte-take ng risk. Sa'yo, Queen of Swords is here, very eager na magkaroon ng, I can see seduction mula dito sa taong to. You could be dealing with someone who is really, nakakapagpa-seduce sa'yo. Na parang alam mong mali or alam mong bawal but you like this person. The Empress, I feel like you are really fascinated dito sa person na to, itsura niya, kung paano siya manamit, whatever, itsura, lahat na, kaya niyang dalhin yung sarili niya and gusto mo tong taong to. Could be a person na malakas ang kanyang spiritual knowledge or may spiritual connection sa inyong dalawa. Emotions. Emosyon ninyong dalawa ng person na ito. For the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Queen of Cups, Ten of Wands, and the Ace of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Five of Wands. I'm seeing competition. Yung iba sa inyo, you could be dealing with not just one, two, three person. So, meron Queen of Cups, or yung iba sa inyo may iba. Kung hindi ikaw yun yung person mo, nakakonect. Ace of Pentacles, you are planning something dito sa person na ito. You like this person. Could be a new person. Ten of Wands is here. Parang you hit the jackpot dito sa kanya. Pwedeng naramdaman mo yung feeling na parang, uy, jackpot ako dito sa taong to. Queen of Cups is here. So, you really do like this person. Mahal mo siya. Person na to with the Tower and the Six of Pentacles, well, nararamdaman ko yung feeling na parang nahulog or nahuhulog na siya sa'yo. The Five of Cups is here. So, pwedeng kung may mga nakakapagpalungkot man sa kanya or nakakapagbigay ng feeling na parang hindi siya okay. May kinalaman yun sa mga taong nagmamanipulate sa kanya, hindi ikaw. Walang kinalaman sa'yo. So, nalulungkot siya with the things na nagmamanipulate sa kanya ngayon. And it could be anyone or anyhow. Could be also yung family niya or, could be another relationship. Basta may nagmamanipulate sa kanya, yun yung nakakapagpa-stress or nakakapagpalungkot sa kanya. Pero pagdating sa'yo, parang unti-unti na siyang nahuhulog. So, that's the energy. So, what will happen in the future for the both of you? Death card is here. Nine of Wands and the Three of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Judgment, Page of Swords, and the Magician. And in the near future, nakakita tayo dito lang with the Death card. There's going to be an ending and a new beginning for you. Anong ibig sabihin nun? With the Nine of Wands, I feel like there's something here na pwedeng matutunan ka or malaman ka in the future with the Three of Pentacles na magbibigay ng growth para sa'yo. Your person is the Magician. I'm feeling like with the Page of Swords, the Magician, and the Judgment, pwedeng itong taong to marami kang matutunan or malalaman sa kanya and magbibigay ng growth para sa iyo, para sa inyo. The Seven of Cups is here. I can see a helping hand here. So, pwede may pagtutulungan in the near future para sa inyo. The Ten of Cups, I'm seeing a lot of love, the will, a lot of changes pagdating sa'yo dito sa person na ito. And, magugulat ka na lang. May mga biglaang pagbabago sa'yo, sa inyo. Someone is about to give you gift. Yeah. So, pwedeng ikaw rin ito magbigay ng gift sa someone. I can see gift giving. So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all, guys, and bye-bye.